Hey everyone, right now most of us have a tax season. It's that stressful window in January where you frantically find receipts and file one big return. But starting in April 2026, that once a year habit is officially dead. Under Making Tax Digital, you are not just filing once, you are interacting with HMRC 5 times a year. If that sounds like 5 times the headache, don't worry. Today we are breaking down the actual timeline, exactly what you have to report and how this affects your day-to-day business. Are you in the first wave? HMRC is rolling this out in stages based on your gross income. That's your total sales or rent before expenses. You are required to comply by April 2026 if you earn over £50,000. From April 2027, the threshold drops to £30,000. From April 2028, it's expected to reach anyone over £20,000. If you are a limited company or a complex partnership, you can breathe for now. This phase is specifically for sole traders and landlords. So what does a digital tax year actually look like? It's a 3-step process. Digital record keeping. You can't just type totals into a box anymore. Every transaction, that could be your £50 fuel receipt or £1,000 invoice, must be recorded digitally as it happens. Every 3 months, your software sends a summary of your income and expenses to HMRC. These are cumulative, so if you miss the receipt in Q1, you can usually fix it in Q2. And deadlines, they are always the 7th of the month. Mark your calendars for August 7th, November 7th, February 7th, and May 7th. By January 31st, you are required to submit a final declaration. This replaces the whole self-assessment. It basically pulls in your quarterly data and adds things like bank interest or gift aid to give you the final bill. What happens if you have multiple income streams? MTD is per business. If you are a freelance graphic designer earning 40k and a landlord earning 15k, your total is 55k. You are in scope for 2026. And because there are different types of income, you have to keep digital records separately and send separate quarterly updates for both. That's 8 updates a year plus your final declaration. This is why having a software that automates the sorting is no longer a nice to have, it's a survival tool. It is not just about going paperless, it's about moving to real-time bookkeeping. If you start using MTD compatible software now, April 2026 will be just another Tuesday. If you wait, it's going to be a scramble. Check your 2024-25 tax return. That's the one HMRC will use to see if you have hit the 50k mark for the first wave. If you're over, start your digital transition this month. I'll see you in the next one.